Hey everyone, this is the solution for base P for the Huntress 2024 CTF competition. So we're given a text file called base.txt and it seems to be some sort of encoding. Completely not readable. Definitely not in UTF-8. So now, when I was solving this, one of the first thoughts I had was, okay, so base P, and it says I wonder what it's based on. This has got to be, the first step has got to be a some sort of base, right? And I remember from last year's challenge, which would be 2023 for Huntress, they had a challenge that involved decoding a piece of text like this, and it was based on base 65536. So if we actually look up base 65536 decoder, here is base 65536. It's not, I don't think it's really well known. It's not really well used, I don't think. But if we decode this, we actually get, it seems to be valid. It would tell us if it's not valid 65536 text. So we have this, right? So now we're going to use a tool called CyberChef. I use that a lot on here. And just for anything that I do, especially for my job, we have a magic tool that we can use. We can put this in here, and what it immediately finds is that we can do these steps here. So it's base 64 using the alphanumeric and special character alphabet, and then apparently it is we have to inflate it, gun zip, right? And then we have to render an image. Okay, cool. So now we have this PNG, right? And I think I have this downloaded. Should be. Yeah, so here's the PNG. So what we're gonna do here is, what do we do with this, right? It's a PNG, so there's not going to be any EXIF data, I think is what it's called. Let me see. Yeah, there's not going to be any EXIF data because it's a PNG, not a JPEG. You know, there's no hidden files in here or anything. So what do we do? So one of the first things that I thought about was, well, maybe this is HTML hex colors, but that didn't lead anywhere. And then I thought about, okay, what about RGB tuples? What about that? What if I kind of spell that out? So let's actually do that. So let's go to an RGB. Let's just do RGB from image. We can use a color picker here, right? And we're going to use an image. We're going to upload an image of our download.png. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go from left to right. So if we make a point here, yeah, we make a point here. Let's jot this down. So let's actually copy this, and we don't actually need the A. I wonder if I can change that. I don't think I can. That's okay. Yeah, so is it the same one? Yeah, okay. So if we jot this down, right, removing the last one because we don't need it. Okay. And then we're going to pick this color. We're going to copy that, remove the last one. Okay. Oh, there's a virus. This one, remove the last. Okay, go to the next one. Put that there. Okay, please get off the screen. Go into this one. Paste here. And we're going to go on to this one. Stop. Go here. Hopefully I didn't skip any or repeat any. I don't think I did. This one, remove the last one. This one. This one. Finally, the last one. Okay, hopefully I did that right. First try. Let's clean this string up a little bit. Let's actually use the replace tool, and we're going to do not a regular expression, but we're going to find the text RGBA, and we're going to replace it with nothing. We're going to find all of the comments, and the commas, and we're going to replace it with nothing. That was a bad idea. Control Z. How do I Control Z? Okay. So, okay, I know it. Yeah. Replace all the commas with spaces because we want to separate the, yeah, there we go. Okay, and then replace all of the opening parentheses with nothing. There we go. Okay, so now we have a string of separated numbers with the space as the delimiter. What can we do with this? Well, I like to, you know what? Let's use CyberChef again. Let's use CyberChef. So let's just kind of get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. Let's put this in here, and then let's use the magic tool again. See what we get. Okay, so we convert from decimal to ASCII, and we have our flag. So there you go. That was pretty creative, to be honest. There wasn't a lot like that in terms of using RGB like that before in last year's challenge. So there you go.